Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ita Ray. Thank you all for returning. Today I am going to do another plan with me video. I'm going to try to post these every week since I do decorate my planner weekly. But in this video I am not going to talk through it. I'm just going to let you guys listen to the music and watch what I'm doing. So let me know if you like that or if you like it when I talk over and let you guys know what I'm doing. But yeah, I want you guys to go ahead and enjoy the video.
Those doors are closed, closed, closed. How can you make the fire burn so brightly when you're so cold, cold, cold? Never as lonely as together with you. Still together with you is where I wanna be. It makes no sense. Never felt happiness together with you. Still together with you is where I wanna be. It's making no sense. Never involved me. Those dark sides hidden away from me. Those doors are closed, closed, closed. How can you make this fire burn so brightly when you're so cold, cold, cold? As lonely as together with you, still together with you is where I wanna be. Then it makes no sense. As together with you, still together with you is where I wanna be. Making no sense. Never felt anything but pain. All you ever did was making me darker inside. Slowly I was starting to change, building this wall and turn cold just like you. Never as lonely as together with you. I never felt happiness together with you. Never as lonely as together with you. But it's where I wanna be. Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you. Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty other from the minute that I met you. another night, but I can't get you off my mind. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. I go anywhere, anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through, with you by my side, with you by my side. Though we've only met, let me dive into your ocean with my heart open. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat. Do it on repeat. Sing out your frustration. Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing you say?